Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2018 GMC Sierra Denali HD with the Duramax Diesel. I reviewed a 2014 Sierra 2500 HD, but that one had the 6.2 liter gasoline motor. This one has the turbocharged Duramax V8. Absolutely beautiful spec on this truck. Let's take a look at this thing. Fuel cap. Since this is the previous generation, they have the normal tailgate. Absolutely beautiful. This one appears to have a blackout package because all this would normally be chrome. Same with this. Onyx black is the color of this one. Absolutely beautiful. There's your little Duramax logo. Bose sound system as expected. Absolutely wonderful interior. Look at all of these power outlets. If you run out of power outlets in this truck, oh, that's an issue. You also have one in the back seat as well. Really nice headliner, sunglasses, your bed lights. Here's your main infotainment screen. Pushed the wrong button. Very easy to use. You do have power adjustable pedals. Of course, that's only available when you're in park. There's your cargo lamps. Have an exhaust brake. Your lane departure warning. I love the toggle switches. That's just something I've come to love. 2-mode heating. You got your back and bottom, and ventilated seats. Same on the passenger side. Tow haul mode pops up with 2 more additional gauges. Steering wheel feels excellent in the hands. Really high quality leather. I love it. And a ton of torque from this turbocharged V8. Wow. A lot of people in the pickup truck community adore diesels. You can get a ton of power out of them. And they're actually, based on what I've seen at the drag strip, they're pretty quick. They've given my buddy's C7 Z06 a run for its money a couple times. You also have radar cruise control, as well as collision avoidance. This Allison transmission's absolutely phenomenal, no complaints there. pretty much bulletproof for heavy duty use. Another big thing I'm noticing is the ride. The ride is extremely nice. It's not like your 3500 work trucks where it's just like slamming you in the back. And it's definitely not like the cab only frame trucks where there's no weight in the back and you just bounce around like nobody's business. It's definitely very supple. I can definitely drive this for long distances. What's nice is even with diesels that are notoriously noisy, it's not bad. When I had the music on, driving here, I could barely hear it. It was awesome. But then when you want to hear it, you can. Once you put it into low, you have your manual mode. Redline is right about 3,500 RPM. It's a very, very torquey motor, and it makes a lot of its torque between 1,000 and 2,000 RPM. So it's really no point for it to rev really, really, really high. And it hauls. On this back road, handling is really actually not bad at all. It doesn't feel absolutely massive on the road. Visibility is really, really good. I have no complaints. I definitely feel comfortable. Everything's very, very high quality in here. Going on to our suspension test, even with this heavy duty suspension, handles it without an issue. Overall, this is an absolutely fantastic truck. I love this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.